Pauline Lian Haukip MLA from the 59 Saikot Assembly constituency has criticized fellow MLA Rajkumar Imo Singh for making what he described as baseless allegations against the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum ITLF. Haukip's remarks come amid escalating ethnic tensions and violence in Manipur. Haukip condemned Singh's claim that ITLF, a civil society organization working for the Kuki-Jo community, is involved in terrorist activities. He argues that these allegations are not only unfounded but also harmful to the efforts of ITLF, which has been a strong advocate for peace and justice in the region. Accusing ITLF without credible evidence is misleading and an affront to the tribal communities seeking harmony amidst ongoing violence, Haukip stated. He suggested that Singh should redirect this focus towards Meitei civil society organizations like Kokomi and the Haumi Federation, which Haukip accuses of contributing to unrest by remaining silent on the significant issues such as the looting of state armories by Meitei groups. Haukip also highlighted the severe impact of the conflict on the Kuki-Jo community, including loss of life, destruction of properties, and ongoing displacement. He criticized the lack of condemnation from Meitei leaders regarding these atrocities and called for a political solution through the establishment of a union territory with legislature for the Kuki-Jo people. Haukip urged the government of India to expedite measures for peace and security, stretching the need for thorough investigation into the elite militarization and the leaked audio tapes involving the chief minister. Earlier on September 4, Rajkumar Imo Singh called for the organization Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum to be declared a banned organization. The MLA stated that if allegations of the group procuring lethal drones, arms and ammunition, including bombs to attack innocent people, are true, they should be banned under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. R.K. Imo Singh expressed concern about the involvement of highly trained professionals and experts. He questioned the identity of individuals with ITLF IDs and those training people to attack civilians. R.K. Imo Singh emphasized that under Indian law, the government can ban individuals and organizations from spreading terror. He urged Manipur police to investigate thoroughly and arrest